With Doubtnut, get instant video solutions to all your maths, physics, chemistry, and biology doubts. Just click the image of the question, crop the question, and get instant video solution. Download Doubtnut app today.
Hello friends, here the question is, a conical pendulum of length L makes an angle theta equal to 45 degree with respect to z-axis and moves in a circle in xy plane. The radius of the circle is 0.4 meter and its center is vertically below O. The speed of the pendulum in its circular path will be, take G is equal to 10 meter per second square. So here we have given that there is a pendulum which is moving in a horizontal circle. So this pendulum is making an angle of theta equal to 45 degree with respect to this z axis, and the radius of the circle, horizontal circle, this pendulum is describing is 0.4 meter. Now we have to calculate the speed of this pendulum in this circular path. Now we have drawn a diagram here. So here is the string of the pendulum, and that string will have a tension force. Here is the pendulum, and the weight force of this pendulum is acting in downward direction. This angle theta is there, which is equal to 45 degree. Now we can draw the horizontal and vertical components of this tension force. Here this horizontal component of this tension force is T into sine of 45 degree, and the vertical component here will be equal to T into cos of 45 degree. Now we know that according to the Newton's second law of motion, this mg weight will be balanced here by T into cos of 45 degree, and this pendulum is describing circular motion here. So if there is a circular motion, there will be a centripetal force acting on this pendulum, and here is the centrifugal force. So this force, centripetal force or centrifugal force, both have the magnitude mv square divided by r, which will be now equal to T into sine of 45 degree according to Newton's second law of motion. Now we can assign these equations number as 1 and 2. So if we divide second equation by first, so T sine 45 degree will be equal divided by T cos 45 degree will be equal to mv square divided by r whole divided by m into g. Here this m will get cancelled, t will get cancelled. Sin 45 divided by cos 45 is equal to tan 45 degree, and it is equal to v square divided by r into g. Now tan 45 degree is equal to 1. So v square by rg is equal to 1, and v square will be equal to rg. Now v will be equal to square root of r into g. The radius of this horizontal circle is 0.4 meter and acceleration due to gravity is 10. So v will be equal to square root of 4, means the speed of that pendulum in the circular position, circular motion will be equal to 2 meter per second. So the correct option here is option B. Thank you.
For class 6 to 12, IIT JEE and NEET level. Trusted by more than 5 crore students. Download Doubtnut app today.